Making sure pilots have a good downlink. Here we go, pilots, arm your quads. We launch in less than 5. Go.
Off to the races we go. All 4 quads in the air. First one through our far left-hand side split S is going to be Aviator, but Errant Wind actually going for the pass on him there. Aviator striking the ground, going under on his lid. That's going to allow Errant Wind a little bit of time to breathe. They got, looks like all 4 quads actually still up in the air.
Yeah, that was a great recovery for Aviator, another guy from Cleveland Quad Squad.
Errant Wind, oh no, striking the gate. He's going to keep it in the air. Swifty also keeping it in the air. Moving on to lap number 2 for Swifty. So it looks like if you are still flying, you are going to be moving on in our consolation bracket here today. Errant Wind up our TBS Inception gate. Here he goes. He's going to the other side. He's going to do a little bit of a split S, try and seat into it. Oh no, black video from him. The only pilot remaining in the air is Swifty. But he's still currently running in second unless he gets further than Errant Wind on that TBS Inception gate. He's going to round out in second. He can get through it clean. Ooh, it looks like it's going to be both of them going down in the net, so I think it's not exactly clear who's going to take the 1 and 2, but it doesn't matter because those 2 are going to be moving on in our consolation bracket here today.
Well, who crashed out first? It was Errant Wind, so let's give the win to Swifty. So Swifty and Errant Wind are going to stay alive in our consolation